Want to get rich without lifting a finger? Sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you it's not? Let's dive into the secrets of effortless wealth. Imagine earning money while you sleep. Yes, it's possible. The key is to let your money work for you. Ever heard of passive income? It's the ultimate lazy hack. Think about it. You can earn cash from investments, rental properties, or even creating digital products. What if you could set it all up and then sit back? That's the dream. Let's break it down. Start with investments, stock market, real estate, or peer-to-peer lending. These options can grow your money over time. They're like growing a money tree in your backyard. You don't need to be a financial expert. Just find the right resources. There are apps that do the hard work for you. Automate your investments, set it and forget it. Then there's real estate. You might think, I can't buy a house. But think again. You could invest in real estate crowdfunding. It's like owning a piece of property without the hassle. What about digital products? Think e-books or online courses. Create them once and sell them forever. It's like having a money-making machine. Work hard upfront, then kick back and relax. Here's a question. What if you could set up multiple streams of income? Sounds like a dream, right? But it's doable. The more sources you have, the less you have to stress. Now, let's talk about time. You don't need to spend hours each day grinding. Set aside a few minutes each week to manage your investments. And don't forget about savings. High-yield savings accounts or CDs can slowly boost your wealth. It's a no-brainer. So, what's stopping you? Take that first step. Research your options. Start building your lazy empire. The best part? You'll be making money while literally doing nothing. Can you imagine a better way to live? Let's recap. Invest smartly, create passive income, and automate everything. That's how you get rich without breaking a sweat. Are you ready to embrace laziness? It's time to let your money do the hard work. Join the Lazy Life Wins crew today.